Good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everyone doing? Good morning, good morning. Ollie, yeah, I'm gonna be saying my calls here. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. How's everyone doing? All right, so the GDP data wasn't as bearish as expected, so that caused the market to jump up a little bit. So now we're gonna see if that if this movement is going to be sustainable. All right. The NASDAQ is currently the bigger winner of the three indices. So it is showing the most strength. Thank you, Jargon. User, it said basically it was a 0.6% contraction in GDP growth, where everyone expected a 0.7%. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Morning from Australia. You were a legend. Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, IWM showing a lot of strength. Close above VWAP. Close above 193.50 so far. We need to see if the SPY and the NASDAQ and everything can hold these levels of support before we decide to go long. But the IWM is showing a lot of strength here. Thank you, Jargon. Thank you so much for the likes. All right, new low of day on the SPY. Let's see if this breaks below 414.60, that same 414.60 level from yesterday. But we need to see if that can remain as important support. The NASDAQ, big red nasty candle. All right, just waiting. Tesla also had its stock split. So Apple showing a lot of strength. Apple showing a lot of strength. Wow. Broke above its high of day. All right, I'm grabbing light SPY calls with a low of day stop loss, 414.30 as a stop loss. Very tight play. We're gonna see if this strength out of Apple can continue. This is literally like a 15-cent stop loss. If we close below low of day, then we're going to close for a small loss. It is what it is, but we need to take stabs when things are showing strength. So we didn't take Apple. I want to see if the strength can translate from Apple into the rest of the market. So let's see if let's see how this works. So far, the IWM bounced off of 193 support. The NASDAQ is holding support. Everything is at support. Tesla is really showing a lot of weakness, though. So that is the one thing that could cause the market to fall, because there's no bounces in sight. Tesla just keeps on making new low of days. Whoever went short Tesla is making a lot of money right now. All right, I'm gonna close out these calls. Gonna wait for a cleaner setup. Obviously, there's no this Tesla weakness is causing the rest of the market to fall. Instead, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab, because everything is still sitting at support, I'm gonna grab August 31st at the money calls on the SPY. Low of day stop loss on these as well. Give some more wiggle room on this and not get affected too much by Tesla price action, etc. Everyone that was still holding the original calls should be up now as well, but let's see if the SPY can break above 414.60 in the short term. If we break back above 414.60, then that is going to be very bullish. For 1460 is acting as a major level of resistance. So we're currently holding August 31st, 415 SPY calls with a low of day stop loss. I said that whoever was holding and trying to short Tesla was happy, because if you look at the 1 minute chart on Tesla so far for the day, it's very red. So in the short term, whoever decided to go short on Tesla is making a lot of money. That is what I mean. NASDAQ made a new low of day and wicked. So basically now we need to see if it can hold 316. Usually when it wicks below support and it brings starts acting bullish again, that's a pretty good sign of a reversal. All right. Consolidating. So basically, like, we had a big flush to the downside early in the morning. So far, they have rewarded bears with some continued follow through to the downside, especially on the SPY. But then we stagnated at that level of support, held, and now are looking to move up. We had one close above 414.60, but the SPY needs to close above these wicks very comfortably. We have not yet. So basically I want to see a close above 414.7 for a continued move upwards. Otherwise, this is a good opportunity to short. And we're holding on to these August 31st contracts as a way to gauge the strength or weakness in the market in either direction. Tesla is really, really, really weak. So with Tesla being this weak, geez, that's basically one of the reasons why the stock market isn't flying at the moment. Once Tesla can find a level of support and bounce, I think that would be very beneficial for the market. And then we might even see the SPY start holding above VWAP. So now VWAP is going to be the next level of resistance for the SPY. We see that this is starting to hold support and we're bouncing a bit. We're holding above 414.6. We need to get a close above 414.7 though. And then VWAP is resistance. Tesla is just showing so much weakness. Another low of day on Tesla. The strike price that I always get into on any play is the closest at the money. All right, so this is a very weak rejection. But yeah. Yeah, no use getting chopped out down here at the market. We grabbed something a few days out, letting those contracts play out the way that they may. And that's that. So far the play that we're in currently is we are in August 29th. Sorry, August 21st. What am I saying? August 31st. At the money SPY calls. So we got into 415 SPY calls. And we're just holding for a low of day stop loss. We can see that the market is acting very choppy. Failing at resistance. Holding support though. So yeah, especially when the market is very indecisive at the moment. It's very, very easy for retail to get chopped out trying to trade all these little micro moves. And especially if you try to trade the micro moves on green, like if you see a really big green candle and you're like, oh my God, I'm gonna get bullish. It's very easy for them to just reverse it and chop you out. So that's why it's very important to be patient down here. While the market is range bound choppy, you get something for a few days out and you allow it to play in your favor and just be patient. That's all. Not every day is going to be extremely fluid and volatile in the way that we like it, where price action moves very quickly. Especially since today there was a lot of macro news that came out. And then tomorrow is going to be a very, very important day because of Powell speaking. So that's why we see this sort of choppiness coming out of the market at the moment. Make sure you guys are liking on YouTube. You guys are liking on TikTok. You guys are liking and following me everywhere, subscribing to me everywhere. We're just waiting for the market to make a decision. My gut is telling me that this is going to break into new lows. This is going to break into... my gut is telling me it's going to break into new lows and we're going to hit 413.40. And this is going to really, really start capitulating to the downside very aggressively. But the trader in me is telling me to just buy calls at support and just wait. So let's see. SPY needs to break above this 10 simple moving average on the 1 minute. It's currently trading above it now. That level is around 414.60 ish. We just crossed above. Nothing to be too bullish about just yet. We've seen these big candles before, but we need to see a nice close above 415. Ideally above 415.10. Nice move so far. We just bought calls at support. See it moving up here. All right. Good, decent move so far. Yeah, because Tesla found a nice level of support. Tesla double tapped support, found support, and is moving up, but it's failing at resistance. So unless Tesla can start to show strength, the market isn't going to really bounce. IWM is showing a lot of strength, but the IWM strength is not translating well into the SPY. We even saw today the Apple strength was not translating that well into SPY. But all of you guys that are that were holding the 0 DTEs, you guys are up really well. And yeah, definitely everyone is definitely profitable now. So cool. It's a good trade so far. Definitely take some profits and leave runners. We don't want this position to turn red now. So oh fuck. Sorry, I just my hip my hip is a little tight. But yeah, 415 is looking good. Let's see it hold above 415. But yeah, main thing is take some profits and leave runners and not allow this position to go red. Alrighty. $50 SMA is acting as a resistance now on the SPY. It basically coincides with this 415.10 level that I wanted it to close above. IWM is closing above 193.50, but we need it to remain above 193.50. But yeah, overall, do not let this position go red. So far, so good. We were very tight with the 0 DTEs earlier on in the morning, but then since there was no true momentum or follow through to either the downside or the upside early on, that's why we got into the August 31st contracts, to just give us some space and some clarity and comfort, and it worked out. Yo, yeah, guys, I'm really sorry about this YouTube stuff. I don't know. I have to make sure that that doesn't happen. So sorry about that. Assalamu alaikum. Don't know how to say it. Thank you, you rock. Thank you. Going for the gap fill then bounce. 417. Tesla calls. No. Good news for unemployment is bad news for the market. Yo, good morning, Hamid. A demon in the score. Simba. Yes, yeah, for sure. Young Simba, definitely. I'm gonna respond to you. Michelle, listen to the trader in you, bro. Yeah, 100%. Yes. Is it a good idea to play both calls and puts with 10% stop loss and then have them both play out and see which one stops out? No, because during range bound choppy markets, especially at the bottoms here, you can buy a call and a put, and they would both, you know, they could just easily, a 10% stop loss it doesn't give a lot of wiggle room on a shorted dated contract. So they could literally just bring it up 40 cents and your 10% stop loss would get mitigated, or, you know, stopped out. Happy Thursday, Mr. Start. What are we in right now? We were in SPY calls, basically just holding on to runners now. Is that the 50 above, Jake? No, so what you're looking at right now on the chart is the Bollinger Bands. And that's about it. This is the 20 exponential moving average. And that is that. Yeah, guys, make sure if you guys are on TikTok, thank you so much, Faith, for the likes. If you guys made money so far buying these calls, make sure to double tap the like screen. Double tap the screen to just give a bunch of likes. If you guys are watching the live from the For You page, make sure you guys enter in. And yeah, man, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, so we saw the SPY double tap 414.60 right here perfectly and broke above a new high. So this is really, really nice. This is really this is bullish, but now is not the time to try to enter anything. So now is not the time to enter anything. We entered down at support down here when things were much, much safer, and we weren't reactive. We were not reactive or emotional. Many people are reactive traders. So they see big green candles like this and they're like, oh my God, it's time to go long. But you can see very, very easily, this move does not need to sustain itself. They can easily just bring it right back down. And all of the people that they reactively got to become bullish can easily, within 1 minute, just lose all of their money. So, yep. Contracts are up. So, congratulations to everyone that held. SPY just made a new high of day. Nice. Very, very nice. All right, guys. I think I can ask for ones. Drop a one, please, in the comment section if you guys made money. I want to see ones. Just type in some ones in the chat. Everyone on YouTube, Twitch, make sure to pump up the likes. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Twitch. Subscribe. Follow me on TikTok, on Instagram, everywhere that you guys are watching this. I want to see some ones, man. This was a solid play. We caught the bottom of the market It bounced into a new high of day. What else do you guys want? This is it. This is oh, holy goodness. Holy crap. Yeah, definitely if you guys have not taken, wow, this is really, really strong. Crap. Okay, yeah, definitely you guys need to take some profits and leave runners if you guys have not already. Very nice. Really, really beautiful play. Good stuff. Congratulations to everyone. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Ones everywhere. I love it. I love it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Nice. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. DA4366 in the TikTok live. When did you buy? We got in down here. We got into these calls right down here. I'll tell you the exact minute right now. At 9:35 and at 9:33 a.m. Like, so down here. This is continuing to fly. This is beautiful. This is a really, really safe, hands-off sort of play. And it worked out really, really beautifully. That's it. So basically, now that this play is working out, right? I basically want to explain to you guys why I wanted to keep of. Wow. All right. 1 second. I'm just trying to. Wow. Oh, now is honestly, guys, this is a really good time to short. Maybe this is a good time for like a quick scalp short. I'd be surprised if they can bring it, if they could continue bringing it up. But we're not going to scalp short, but it would be fun. But regardless, so yeah, essentially the reason why I exited the 1 day to expiry is, and I adhered to a low of day stop loss, right? Even though we closed like a few cents below it, even if I thought like, hey, you know, yeah, we broke a little bit below low of day, I still think the market is going to show strength. I didn't care. I had a feeling I was going to, like, I was really, really bullish at that level. That's why I really wanted to go long. Wow, this is showing so much strength. Wow. If we get a close above SPY high of day, this is really, really strong. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful play. Nice. Perfect, perfect play, honestly. Beautiful. We got in right down here. We got in when everything was at support. We got in a nice, safe, beautiful play. That's it. We didn't do anything too crazy. All right, so yeah, regardless. So initially I entered into SPY 1 day to expiration contracts. I saw that, you know, I wanted, oh my God. All right, guys, 416.40 is a major level of resistance on the SPY. 416.40. Oh my God. Jeez. This is beautiful. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. Jeez, man. These contracts are up huge. These contracts are up huge. Oh my God. Beautiful. That's it. Very, very simply, guys, when the market is stagnating, when the market doesn't have momentum, you have to just blindly buy calls at support. That's it. Very, very simple. We were at support, blindly buy calls at support, and boom, big freaking huge huge play, man. That's it. Very, very simple. All right. So as these contracts are up huge, and as the SPY is battling with 416.40, let me just quickly try to explain what the hell I was talking about. So basically, we closed like 5 cents below low of day. Our 0 DTEs were down like 6%, and I closed them out, but I was still very, very bullish. In that instance, who cares? You can't stick to, my God. All right, you can't get married to a position. All right, so if I have a plan and I'm like, all right, I'm going to go long as the low of day remains intact. If the low of day does not remain intact, I'm not married to the long position. I'm going to enter into another play. Do you understand? So I'm going to enter into another play. If both of those plays don't work out and I'm still bullish, I'm going to enter into another play, and I'm going to have the same thought process. I'm going to have a plan of when I'm going to buy and sell, and boom, very simply, that's what we're going to do. My goodness gracious, man. The contracts are up huge. Jeez, man. Yeah, guys, definitely. If you're only holding one contract, now is the time to sell. We caught a spectacular, almost $3 move. We almost caught a $3 move from the bottoms here. This screen is too freaking. The screen it can't even capture how big of how big of a move this is. We got calls right down here, very, very simply, on live in front of everybody here. Everybody here went long with us, basically just got calls at support, and boom, flew up. Still making new highs of days. This is absolutely insane. Beautiful play. I hope you guys made money. Nice. I only had one contract, sold at 5% up. That's good, man. Money's money. Money is money. NASDAQ forming a head and shoulders pattern. If you would have shorted, we would have been fighting later. Damn. Yeah, thank God. Thank God we didn't short. I would have. Yeah, no, there was no reason to short. That's good. 318 on the Qs. Yeah, shit. It's crazy. That is crazy. Yeah, 317.88 is a major level for me on the Qs. All right, so now we can play some. We can get This is beautiful. This is a beautiful move. Beautiful move. All right, let me check the TikTok messages. One's on TikTok. Oh man, I love it. Love to see it. Love to see it, man. I love this. Good stuff. How did you know? So basically, yeah, we just have to just blindly, simply buy calls at support when the market is chopping and there's no momentum. So if you look at the 1 minute chart early on in the morning, you could see that we were basically consolidating very tightly, right? When that happens, the longer we remain above support, the higher likelihood we go up. And that's it. We held this level of support. We held these lows. And if you guys also remember, on the NASDAQ, we wicked to a new low and then became green. And I said, usually when that happens, it's a very, very bullish sign. And, you know, boom, bam, boom. Here we are. All the way up here. All right. Easy plays here. No brainer on the calls. Yes, sir. Thank you guys for all the follows. Thank you guys for all the likes. Make sure you guys keep on smashing that like button. I have to. That's really funny to say, smash that like button. Yeah. Anyway, nice. Short? No, we're not going short. Currently up 90% on AMD. Buy when everyone is bearish. Damn, congrats. Immigrant Leo. Damn, missed that trade. It's all good, man. Welcome back. Especially with Nvidia missing big time. Awesome, man. Are you gonna hold till Powell's speech tomorrow? No. So now this play is up really well, right? What we're gonna end up doing. So now essentially, if you're holding multiple contracts, you should have sold, taken profit, and left the runners. Now with your remaining contracts, what you do is, so basically, say for example, you got contracts for $1, right? And they jump up to $1.50. You either sell your remaining contracts within profit. So you like to keep them in profit. So you sell if it falls back down to like 1.25. So you're still going to get a 25% gain on your calls. Or if you're really, really greedy, you can hold until break even price. So it shot up to 150. You took some profit, held runners. So say for example, you held half of your position at that point. You can hold your other half if you want for break even price. But the whole point is you do not want a winning position to turn red. That's the number one thing. Do not ever allow a super winning position to turn red. Unless like you have like an extra sort of plan or a play that you're trying to make. But otherwise, that's a really good rule of thumb. And this is this is probably So now the longer we stay here at resistance, the worse it is, essentially, for the SPY. So what the SPY wants is a very strong move to the upside very quickly. So similar to how we were consolidating at support, and it was a no-brainer for calls, right? If we consolidate at resistance, it's almost a no-brainer for puts. But support is not that far away. So support on the SPY is around 416.40. And NASDAQ is currently sitting at support as well. So, yeah, we could drop down a bit. But this would be a good opportunity for people to see if momentum can continue upwards. But it's not really that safe just yet. At this point, it would make more sense to re-enter into longer dated calls because you're not as comfortable for the shorter dated calls. Now would be a good time to enter August 31st 417 calls with a 416.40 stop loss. If you wanted. But that's what a lot of people are going to be trying to do. They're going to try to aggressively go long. But you know, once again, the longer it takes to break above, the higher likelihood that puts end up working. All right. Are you gonna hold till speech? No, I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna hold through anything. Why did you make that green area? The green area is just the. It's irrelevant. Don't worry about that. It's the Fibonacci level. I drew that out on the daily. On the daily chart, we're looking at the minute, so that's why it just looks zoomed in. Nice trade, thank you. Yeah. So yeah. I wanted to go short at the top here. But yeah, as everyone gets more comfortable trading and executing and doing all this other stuff, like I'm gonna get more comfortable in sharing everything that I really want to do. But at the moment, I'm literally just trying to share the safest positions possible. Otherwise, I make a lot of trades. When I'm trading throughout the day, I trade a lot. But You see, like when I'm sharing with you guys, it's maybe only like a few trades a day. All right, cool. Let's see if we can hold this level of support. This is a really nice level of support. This would be a really good time to enter calls for basically 416, 17. All right, let's grab the same All right, NASDAQ's holding support. IWM is not. This is a big red candle right at support. And okay. See what Tesla's doing. Apple is holding support. Tesla failed at resistance at the 10 SMA. SPY sitting at the 10 SMA. Sort of no man's land here. Sort of no man's land here. This would be another opportunity to go long by SPY calls with a 1 day to expert. So basically the August 26th calls with a stop loss at 416.10. So I'm not going to take this, but this is a good opportunity. So the reason why it's a good opportunity is because we broke below a major level of support here, right? Many people became very, very bullish just now, right? But as you can see, we came to this level of support, held, wicked below that level as well, and then made a green candle. So usually when that happens, that is a really, really beautiful, beautiful opportunity to go long. And then most likely what's going to end up happening is usually we end up making new high of day. So yeah, this is a really, this would have been a really solid play, even if it didn't work out. Just understanding this price action is going to go a long way. So let's just see if this was to work out. I didn't enter here, but textbook wise, we would be entering here. All right, let me read the rest of the messages. Wow, thank you guys for all the follows. Nice. Wow, thank you guys. Welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Fibonacci level? Yes, Fibonacci level. Yes. Jackson Hole tomorrow. Market is trading flat today. Yep, I agree. That's why there's consolidation and choppiness and everything. It takes a strong stomach to see your position fall against you badly before it goes in your favor. Yeah, 100%. But you have to make sure that you don't need to use that much of your stomach strength, you know? Like, don't, if the position is down really, really bad against you, don't try to use it as like a way to fight your, oh yeah, I'm gonna stomach this loss. No, like sometimes you just have to take the loss and move on. So yeah, this 0 DTE call would have been absolutely beautiful. So if you were to even buy it on the close of this candle, we shot up about 20 cents, and this 20-cent move that we would have gotten off of this close to here would have been 10% on the contract. So that is nice. Now that worked out in our favor. But I mean, it's a nice little teaching moment that I had for you guys. So I hope you guys understood what that was. All right. What position are you in? Yeah, we're holding on to calls. Cool, cool, cool. SPY calls, yes. Do you think the SPY is going to rebound? So essentially, I only think the SPY can maybe touch 418 to 419, but overall the market is bearish, right? But regardless, it's going to be very, very highly dependent on what the Fed is saying tomorrow. So at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning, it's going to be very, very important. And we're not going to be holding on to any major positions while that happens. If we can see what Powell is saying, and if there's like a live stream of what's going on, then we'll watch that together. But yeah, man, this would have been a beautiful, beautiful play for whoever took this. Sexy play. Essentially, you're playing it alongside the upward momentum. So we were getting a huge upside move, obviously, right? But for this upside move to sustain itself, it needed to have a bit of a pullback. So essentially, right here, these few minutes, these immediate minutes, people thought was the pullback. So people started to go long with this as a stop loss. But then they ended up making this big red candle right here, break it below that level of support in the stop loss, and close red, right? So this made everyone bearish. As we closed red below stop loss, everything, blah, 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 became very, very bearish. And then on top of that, the next candle, they broke it down even lower. So they were like, okay, yeah, definitely this is a really, really beautiful time to go short, guys. Come on, pile in your puts. Let's go short. And what they ended up doing was they ripped it upwards. They closed it green. And that's why I said when that happens, it's an amazing opportunity to go long. And that would have made money. Oh, well. Cool. Is this spot or daily trade? So this isn't... So we're not trading spot. We're trading the options. But this is day trading the options on the SPY. Ones, nice. Glad to see you guys made money. If you guys did make money off of this play and you guys took it, unlike me, definitely let me know. Drop some ones if you guys added on to your positions and played that little scalp. Add some ones if you guys took that. Ones. All right. I'm going to read the comments on YouTube and Twitch. Give me a second. Guys, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. Oh, man. It sounds so funny. Smash the like button, guys. But yeah, all jokes aside, make sure you guys are coming into the live. If you guys are watching the TikTok from your For You page, enter in. I'm giving free... Guys, this is... No one else is doing this. The stuff that I'm saying is actually working. You guys are seeing it live right before your eyes. Nobody is willing to do the stuff that I'm doing right now for free. Not a single person on the internet is doing what I'm doing right now for free. So show some love, show some support. You guys are early to this. You guys are very early to to what we're doing here. So yeah, man, I really appreciate everyone that's followed, everyone that's joined. Yeah, man, just smash the like button. Double tap the screen as much as you like, and you can send as many likes as you want. Just keep on double tapping the screen if you guys are bored. Alrighty. Every time I hop in SPY, I lose. Did puts at 412. Been losing ever since. This is common with me. Jabriel, I think you need to. So you need to look at when you enter. So you have to look at exactly why you're entering and when you're entering. So I think something that would help is if you kept a trading journal. So with that trading journal, you can tell yourself and map out exactly why you enter and exited every single play. So it's very important to understand that about yourself. Oh, why did you enter this position here at 10:03 a.m.? Well, I entered because the candle before was very, very strong. And it was a very strong green candle. And then if you look at all of those trades and you see that, okay, I'm entering because I saw strength, but I have like a 60% lose rate when that does happen, you need to see, okay, obviously that doesn't work, and adapt. So having a trading journal helps, and it especially helps when you can talk to other traders about what's going on with your trading as well, because the problems that you're having, profitable traders have had the same exact problem. Every single problem that you guys are having right now as traders, I'm talking about guys, like if you guys lose money and you become very, very sad, or if you guys want to try to make up your losses, or if you guys are trying to revenge trade, if you're holding on to a position too late and you see the position like reversing completely in your against you and you're still holding, all of those things, profitable traders have gone through all of that stuff. So it's important to learn about yourself as much as possible. The trading journal is definitely something that'll do that. And then once you have data of how you trade and how you act the way that you act, then you can better that. And yeah, man, it takes time, but you have to put in time to create a I'm day trading the options on the ETF. Yeah, we're trading the options. So we're trading the closest expiration options on the SPY, making money. Welcome to the stream, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna continue responding to the messages on YouTube and Twitch. I don't mean to ignore you guys on the TikTok, etc. and Instagram. The time frame is a 1 minute. All right. Are you here to stay? I hope so, man. I hope so, as you are the man. Thank you. Yeah, I'm streaming every day, Monday through Friday. At least until 10:30 to 11 a.m. every day. I haven't streamed less than 11:30 so far. So what leave runners mean? Sorry for that question. So leave runners is basically like, say for example, you buy 10 contracts and the position is up 10%. Once you have 10 contracts, I like to sell at least 3 contracts. And then you leave the rest as runners, right? So now you're holding on to 7 contracts that are up 10%. With those remaining 7 contracts, you should not allow those 7 contracts to turn red. So you should either sell the rest when within profit, or you should definitely sell the remaining 7, at break-even price. So yeah, that's what I mean by leaving runners. Beautiful entry. That was 414.10 to 15, was acting as support yesterday around 11 a.m. Tagged that perfectly for the bounce. Nice. Nice. Why not sell at the money strike? Yeah, so we're trading and we're buying. Damn, this is this is definitely going on TikTok. Oh my goodness. Wow. Good stuff. Jesus. Goodness gracious. Oh my god. God damn, this is ugh. So yeah, so basically what I would do usually if I was trading alone is I would have shorted here like a psychopath, and then I would have re-entered calls here, and then but yeah, since I'm streaming, I'm only trying to share like really safe plays with you guys, and these contracts are up huge, man. Oh my god. All right, put time, no, ones, nice. What's happening with Tesla? So Tesla had a split, so that's why there was weakness out of Tesla earlier on in the morning. Do not short strength, Hamid. Yes, absolutely. Quick scalp got out at 8%. Nice. Ones, gap fill. What are your thoughts on the interest rates? Yeah, man, a lot of that is just arbitrary. A lot of stuff can change. Not sure. It all really depends on tomorrow. I mean, there's a lot of different hypothetical scenarios, but regardless, whatever he's going to say tomorrow is definitely going to affect the market very importantly. So made a quick stack on that textbook buy. Whew. Explode social. Welcome. Wow, man, that is beautiful. Ones, your technicals are the best. Nice, man. Thank you. You are the bomb. Thank you. You're the best, DJ Khaled. Thank you. I think now is the moment to go down. Jose Flores came over from TikTok. What's up, Jose? Welcome. So generous of you to do this for free. Thank you. I try. Axe, you are definitely making history, brother. We're trading over 10 years and you are definitely killing it for free. Thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, man. I really appreciate it, man. Thank you so much for showing love and support. Thank you. I'm in the same position as you, bro. I'm at 412 puts. Yeah, guys, be careful about puts. The market is very strong right now. Just be very careful about trying to short needlessly. So as the market is showing strength, it's much safer to buy calls as it falls. You get it? Like basically buying calls at support is much safer on a very strong day instead of trying to, catch the top. There's no point in trying to catch the tops here. Made a ton on Baba. Called Baba a few days ago. Check it out. Yeah, man. Yeah. Good stuff, man. I saw the big pop. I'm glad that you made money on that, man. I sold it a little bit early. Ryan made a ton on Baba. Instant Hamid called out 2 weeks ago. Nice, man. Ross Trading. Hey, Hamid, I like your company and trading time. I'm trying to find a way to trade options from Australia. By the way, I do spot trading. Have a great day, my friend. Thanks, man. You too. I don't know of any. I personally don't know of anyone or any brokers that trade options out of Australia. Maybe you could try Interactive Brokers. They might. I think also TD Ameritrade, but options is difficult for international people outside of parts of Europe and Canada. And they have to pay a lot more money on the option contracts. But yeah, I'm not sure. If you can't follow the sentiment for the options, you can use whether I'm going long or short as a sentiment for your, CFD plays or spot trading. Yeah, since you do spot trading, you could use the sentiment. Hey Ryan, can we trade something else other than the SPY, please? I think it's simple for people, especially like beginners. You can make a living just trading the SPY, the QQQ, and the IWM. You can make a legitimate living just trading these three tickers. So what I'm trying to do right now is, since like a lot of people are new to the game, it's easier for people to just trade very liquid ETFs that also respond, you know, well to the overall market as the market continues showing strength, man. This is beautiful. My biggest issue is I hold until losing and hoping it turns around. All I see it going down, down, down. Yeah, so basically what I did this morning should be something that everyone could like apply to their own trading. So I was in 0 DTE calls right at the bottom, right? I was very, very strict. I said if we close below low of day, we're going to exit. We lost about 5-6% because we closed about like 10% below low of day. But I knew that the market was going to show strength. So I essentially wanted to get into a bit longer dated calls to not get chopped around, because I knew that that selling point was just a bit of choppiness. I knew the market was going to bounce. And here we are, the SPY is making a new high of day. So anyway, so I knew that the market was going to bounce earlier on in the morning. But you have to just accept the fact that you're wrong sometimes. It's okay. I'm wrong in front of hundreds of people. Eventually, it's going to be like thousands of people that are watching this. So I was wrong in front of you guys. It is what it is. I sold. We re-entered. Don't take yourself so seriously. Don't always try to be right about every single little thing. It's not worth it. Asian, I hope that helps. The last call that you made at 10:12 a.m., was that based off of the double bottom? No, so that was based off of us basically creating a level of support, breaking down below that level of support, and then breaking even further down, and then closing green. So basically, when that situation ends up happening, it's a very, very bullish situation. That's why I was saying to you guys, it's a solid textbook play to go long. I hope that helps. Super links. Got you. Please stay. That's a double top. Okay. All right. Very, very light. Blessings, my brother made 3K. Blessings, my brother made 3K this AM. Nice, man. Killing it. Killing it, brother. Killing it. Thanks, bro. Jake, like a psychopath. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. You are the GOAT. God multiply all you touch. Damn, man. Thank you so much, man. That is really, really nice. I hope God multiplies everything that we touch, man. We deserve all the best in the world. Thank you so much, man. Tesla. All right. Are we going to fill the gap today at 422? If we fill the gap today at 422, yeah, let me not even say anything crazy. But yeah, if we fill the gap at 422, that is going to be crazy. IBKR is good for Canada. Yes. Tastyworks. Interesting. So it seems like someone is saying that you can use Tastyworks in Australia. Google nice today. My wife tells me that also. Stop trying to be right. Yep. She's right. Trading is only 10% mechanical and 90% mental. Think like a retail trader, but don't trade like one. Nice. Not about making profits, more importantly about not losing money. I agree, Eddie. I agree, Eddie. Trading places. Good morning, Hamid. What made you bullish for a bounce right from the get-go? Meaning you were expecting upwards even before market open? No, so I wasn't expecting upwards even at market open. I was wanting to see which way they essentially I wanted to see which side they favor more. Whether bears are going to continue getting follow through to the downside, or whether bears are going to basically short and then they're going to stop it at a support. So I saw that as people shorted, they stopped it at support. And I saw that the momentum was failing to cross lower. So as the momentum failed to cross lower, it was a good opportunity to get long. So that's why. On another note, I use TD and it won't work for non-US citizens nor people outside US. IBKR will work with non-US citizens. Okay. So thanks, man. Yeah, so IBKR is going to work according to trading places. Joey, thank you for all you're doing for us, my brother. You have honestly changed my life with your teachings. It's a blessing. I am keeping my longer puts. Thank you so much, Joey. Thank you so much, man. You're a blessing, man. Thank you. I'm really happy that yeah, man, you're a great guy and you deserve all the good. Everyone deserves. It's amazing, man. There's so many good-hearted people, and it's just awesome that we're all just making money and learning. And yeah, man, it's crazy. Like, we are really, like, this is like a family. It's awesome, man. But yeah, thank you so much. I'm just so blessed and honored that you guys are saying these things to me, and thank you, man. I'm just trying to remain the person that deserves all of this good, compliments from you guys. All right, I see that I'm getting a lot of messages and everything from TikTok. Let me see this. Make sure 4.4k likes on TikTok. I traded I gave out 2 amazing plays so far. Could have made a lot of money if you guys took this. I need to see you guys smashing the like. I need to see you guys just smashing and double tapping the screen as much as possible. That is going to push this out to a lot more people. So it would really help if everyone can just double tap the screen. I don't ask for much. I'm not asking for any money, but it'd be great if everyone could just double tap the screen. Especially on a day when I made you guys money. It's not like it's a bunch of losing plays and telling you guys to do this. So yeah. Thank you guys. Let the likes keep coming, man. Thank you. All right, let me respond to these comments as well. Alrighty there. Let me scroll up. So yeah, you can make a living trading the SPY, the QQQ, and the IWM. 100%. All right. Oh man, thank you guys for the likes. Keep them coming. Thank you. Yes, sir. Made 6 figures last year trading SPY and large cap stocks. Great fundamentals is key too. Yeah, 100%. 100%. They're the easiest and they adhere to larger news in the market the best. So if you're trying to trade random small like penny stocks, etc., they don't always adhere to technical analysis perfectly. They're not very liquid. A lot of them don't have options, and they don't always adhere to fundamental news. So it's harder to trade stocks that really don't have anything to do with the market. But the SP500, the NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000 are all very liquid and amazing stocks to trade. Cool. Yeah, the Fed, he speaks at 10 a.m. tomorrow. All right. Leclerc, I started my account with a referral link and I'm at $350 just on SPY. Truly an amazing stock to learn. 100%. 100%. Yep. I agree. What trading platform? So what you're seeing right now is the chart on tradingview.com. Does paid indicators really work? I mean, yeah, I'm sure they do, but I don't use any paid indicators. Are you using the 1 minute chart? Yes. This is the 1 minute chart. Thank you guys for the follows. I've been doing some day trading the last 2 years, but this seems to be more my speed. Nice. Welcome, Dan. Welcome, Dan. You come to the right place. What smaller cap stocks are the ones that can be scalped. I want to use my leftover money since I am cash account. So that becomes a bit more difficult. I wouldn't really recommend smaller cap stocks at the moment. Thank you, Jargon, for explaining that. Thank you. Recommend a lottery play for the Fed tomorrow? No, I don't have any lotto plays. I mean, it's 50-50, but yeah, it's not worth it's not worth a lotto. What are you trading? We're trading the SPY. Crushing it over here. Thank you, brother. Thank you so much, Mike. Glad to hear it. Glad to hear it, man. This is awesome. This is awesome, man. Holy crap. So many guys on TikTok and Instagram. Yuang, yes, this is a very good family. I love it. Thank you so much. What's the current price right now? 417.50. 417.60. Potential gap fill. That would be very interesting. What are you trading? We're trading the SPY. Wow. Trying to go through these messages. Cheers to you, sir. Are you using the 1 minute? Yes. How much do you think the SPY will be today? Not sure. The upward targets on the SPY would be around 418 to 419. And then from there, that's basically going to be the 38.2% fib. So once we hit the 38.2% fib, that's a good point to stop being aggressively long. So in yesterday's video, I was showing how we were trading well below the 23.6% fib on the SPY. And usually when that's the case, it's a very high likelihood chance that we come back up to the 23.6. And that's what happened. And now we're trading above the 22.6. And it looks like we're about to touch the 38.2. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about soon on a daily chart. Just give me a second. Let me read through the comments. SPY is trying to make another high of day, man. Let's see if SPY can hit 418. If we can hit and close above 418, this is going to be really sick. But God, pragmatically, we have to see and we have to take notice that the SPY is trading in a rising wedge. All right, so it could have a strong move to the downside. So definitely now, definitely is the time to start taking some profits and leaving runners. Goodness gracious, man. If you're only holding one contract, you are a very interesting person. Wow. Wow, man. Yeah, guys, you guys have to take some profits and leave runners, man. The contracts are up almost 40% on those August 31st calls. Like, very safe. 6 days away. For everyone that got into the 0 DTEs, when I initially said at 10-12 p.m., you guys are up huge. So you guys have to take profits and leave runners. All right. What options are we thinking? We were getting into SPY calls. What do you think of the Fed tomorrow? That can really go both ways. The Fed can, I mean, I don't even want to think about what'll happen. I'm not sure. Bro, I trade Forex. How will I do this? So you need to open up a brokerage that allows you to trade US options. So what people in the comments have been saying is you can trade US options on Tastyworks and on IBKR, Interactive Brokers. So definitely try that out. And let's see if that works. Go buy Bitcoins now. The SPY is the S&P 500. Yeah, if you're not sure about like what something stands for, you can always Google SPY and then you could type in stock. So once you type in SPY stock, it'll show up. Bought calls at 422, down 400 on SPY, 416 puts. Damn. Yeah, don't try to force any trades or don't try to short strength. Is this consolidating right now? Yes. Favorite indicators. Oh wait, I missed a message, sorry. How long have you been trading? Over 11 years. What favorite indicators to use? I use the RSI, the MACD, the Bollinger Bands, and the 10, 50, 200 simple moving averages. And the VWAP. Thanks, bro. Dan, thanks, bro. On your live every day now and practicing on Thinkorswim. Perfect. Are you consistently profitable and how? So yes, I'm consistently profitable, and I go live and basically share all of my trades live and also share them in Discord. And the way that that's the case is I've learned from a lot of mistakes, and this has come from years of experience of understanding what works and what doesn't. 418 rejection still going up today. Yeah, it looks like it. What do you trade on? What platform? So I use TD Ameritrade, and yeah, TD Ameritrade is probably one of the easiest ones that you can start on. Salam, walaikum salam. Been trading the TQQ and SQQ lately. Yeah, nice. I mean, 100%. Those are very viable. Thank you, Dan, for explaining that question for Matt. Thank you. You only trade blue chip? Yeah, I only trade ETFs and blue chips, essentially. Do you trade BTC? Yeah, I trade crypto. But one of the ways to get exposure to crypto options is I use BITO. So I use BITO. Thank you guys for the likes. Up over 10K likes now. Thank you guys. It's beautiful. Do you do live about SPY every day? Yes. Yes, sir. Any good book to learn trading? There's a really good course that you could watch on YouTube. It's called, go on YouTube and type in informed trades on YouTube. And it should be a bald white guy with glasses. He made this playlist 12 years ago, and I used to religiously watch that course, and it helped me a lot. And just to brush up on everything, I watched the course again like 3 years ago, like multiple times. So I would really recommend everyone go to YouTube, type in informed trades on YouTube. It's a 77 video long course. I would recommend everyone watch it twice, and the second time you watch it, take notes. No, I don't. Whiplash, best day ever. Thank you, Hamid. You're welcome. I like to short so hard now. Be careful. Can we be more risk on SPY? The 417 thing is NVIDIA yesterday. What do you think? Maybe we can start going down. I want to see a solid close above this 417 level. But then ideally, you want to see a close above 420 to get more more aggressive to the long side. Gurwinder, bro, and you please share rules of how to find support and resistance to supply and demand areas. Yeah, 100%. But the course that I just shared, it's really, really good to also teach you that. So go to Informed Trades on YouTube. It's really, really important. Enraged bug. We don't talk about that stuff here. Musk, I joined your Discord but not able to find any active chat rooms. Ask for help. Thanks, brother. Yeah, Musk, definitely just send me a message and I will respond to that. We will rip tomorrow. When you say close above 417, you're talking about the daily, right? Yes, I'm talking about the daily chart. I want to close above 417. So basically now we're seeing the market is just consolidating. We made a huge move upwards. So now is, you know, we've just been chopping around here. So now is not the time to go aggressive towards anything. We just want to wait to see which way the market wants to go. And it's very, very risky to enter anything here. It's very, very risky to enter into anything here. Yeah, Enraged, I was just kidding. Thank you. All right. Wish I could teach my friends and family, but they would rather work 9 to 5. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, everyone is different. You can't force people to do what you want. It's all right. JFG, you have no idea how much you helped me, brother. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, man. That messages like that, they really, really, really mean a lot to me. So I'm glad I could help, man. Thank you. And I'm glad that, you know, on TikTok there's so many new people that I'm helping. This really, really means a lot, and I'm blessed to be put into this situation, you know. And yeah. What was the YouTube? It's called Informed Trades. How the hell do I type? Yeah, I don't know how to type on TikTok. But just type in Informed Trades and watch the beginner technical analysis playlist. All right. Thank you guys for the follows. Wow. Thank you guys for the likes above 11K. I love it. Awesome, 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 man. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What should I buy? Nothing at the moment. Start printing, boys. Yes, sir. Real Myra, is it good to buy now? No, I would wait. It's too risky to buy anything right now. We had a huge move upwards already. Options trading seems so complicated. I'm sure I'm overthinking the process. No, so David, definitely options trading is very, very, it's complicated at first, but you have to just remind yourself that there are idiots that are trading options and are making money. So you're not an idiot, right? We're not idiots. So we have to think like, okay, if other people can do it, I can do it as well. So yeah, that's just the mindset to have. All of these things are easily and readily available online. We can learn, and it's all for free. So everything is available online, and it's completely doable to learn all that. So yeah, I would definitely first start learning about technical analysis. I would learn about price action on charts, and then I would learn about options. Because to learn and trade options properly, you need to understand the stock movement itself properly. Leclerc, I've seen a lot of Twitter, TikTok traders, but honestly, your explanations are the best in my opinion. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Thank you, Leclerc. JFG. I am 30% disabled. I am learning everything from you, brother. You're the best, bro. Damn. That's it. That's it. I love to see that, man. Yo, that is a blessing, man. Honestly, like, this is amazing. I'm really happy. This is awesome, man. This is sick. Good stuff. Definitely join the Discord. And in the Discord, there's hundreds of people in the Discord that are literally amazing human beings that want everyone around them to do well and to do better. So if you guys are interested in that community, I would definitely join the Discord. Go through the steps of how to join and then just send me a message. But everyone there is literally like there for each other. We've been here together for a long time now, and we trade and talk every single day. And it's just an amazing place where there's really high quality traders sharing their insight. There's newer traders trying to learn. Everyone is just talking. It's amazing vibes. And yeah, man, guys, definitely join that up. And I'm really, really blessed and honored that I can help you out, JFG. And I'm blessed and honored that I can help out everyone here. And yeah, man, thank you so much. Thank you so much. That's awesome. 30% disabled, but you're making 30% plays, baby. Good stuff. Real Myra, thanks for answering. Which price will be good to enter? Let's just wait. Let's just wait to see for a better position. What do you think of Forex? I don't really trade Forex that much. Please tell me the YouTube link. I can't type in the YouTube link. You could just you can search it up. Mortaza, keep up the good work. Love it. Thank you so much, man. Thank you. What is price action? Price action is just the movement of the stock itself. Yeah, informed trades. Yeah, exactly. That is the JFG informed trades. That is exactly the thing that you type in on YouTube. So type that in on YouTube and watch his beginner's technical analysis course twice. It really, really helps. What time frame is that? This is the 1 minute. What is the best trading platform for beginners? I would say TD Ameritrade is probably the best for beginners. Hello, I'm 28, have 50K in the market and 80K in cash. This is a good start. Any advice? This is you are more than you're more than prepared, essentially. So now I wouldn't so Joey, I would not aggressively throw in money into the stock market. You have the potential with that capital to really make a lot of money. So your number one goal is to not get overly excited and try to become a millionaire overnight. Do not try to become a millionaire overnight. You're going to end up losing all of your money. So what I recommend you doing is to study and to learn as much as possible, dude. All right. And if you have any questions, definitely send me a DM on Instagram or join the Discord and get into the Discord community. But this is not something that you should play lightly with. You have a lot of money, man, and that could really change your life if done properly. All right. All righty. All right, let me look at the messages on YouTube and Twitch real quick. Hey, just want to let you know, young symbol. Yep, 100%, man. I'm definitely gonna respond to you. Yep. Let's close on the Whiplash. I love how appreciative you are. Jose, you deserve so many more subscribers, bro. Yeah. Thank you, Nigel. I tuned in yesterday for the first time, and after today's gains, you earned yourself a long time subscriber. Let's go. Nice, man. Thank you, Nigel. I appreciate the kindness, man. Just missed a quick short. Yeah. I think we all missed a quick short. This guy asked, yeah, it's okay. Isaiah, is TD still commission based, or did they get rid of that to compete with Webull and Robinhood? I have an account from years ago, but the commission was too high. So if you have a large enough account size, you can speak to them about commission rate, and you can be like, hey, like, I have this big account size, I want the commission reduced. But there is still commission on the trades. All right. Thanks for the advice, man. I appreciate it. Yeah, of course, Joey. This is a hope rally. Federal Reserve and the Federal reduce QE. Yes, I agree. What is the Discord? The Discord link is in my bio. Khalid, new viewer. What's your strategy? There's a lot of strategies, my brother. If you keep watching, I basically explain all of them as they're happening, and I explain all of them live. So far, what we've done this morning is we caught the SPY from the bottom here. We caught it at the bottom, rode it all the way up, and then basically people re-entered into calls over here, and this was another really, really good opportunity to go long. I explained why, and then had another huge move upwards. So far, the moves have been working out pretty well. Thank you so much, Faith. Thank you so much. You're my admin for TikTok chat. Thank you so much. John, I don't do these short trades. I'm a macro trader, but give this guy a lot of credit. Thank you so much, John. I appreciate it, John. Ola, any thoughts on Flow? Flow, I'm not sure. Is Flow a stock? Cool. Discord invite on Twitch doesn't work. I have to edit that. After I get out of stream, I have to edit the Twitch link. Thanks for telling me that. If I buy now, everyone else can go opposite, and you will see that I'll lose money, but make everyone else rich. So, no, Scrappy. Scrappy. Yeah, no, Scrappy. No. We just have to figure out why, when you enter, the position doesn't work. So, once again, like, having a trading journal and documenting when you enter and exit every single play is really, really helpful. So I would recommend you do that. Pervez, you are a master, bro. Thank you. Thank you, Pervez. Thank you so much. Unusual whales for Flow. I have it and it's great. Nice. I actually never used it. So that's awesome. I never used it. Floor, it's a crypto. Yeah, I mean, just for now, I'm just trying to focus on price action of Bitcoin and Ethereum, and all of the other altcoins are basically going to respond as long as Bitcoin is remaining above support and it starts showing strength. The rest of the altcoins and everything are also going to show strength. How do you set the Bollinger Bands? So you go to tradingview.com, and at the top, go to the chart. And at the chart, you can type in indicators. And then once you're here at the indicators, you just type in Bollinger Bands. And then that goes in. But yeah, definitely, guys, a lot of these things Really, really simple stuff. But yeah, tradingview.com is a good software for charting. Do you use the volume? Do you see the volume? Yeah, 100%. What's your ethnicity, fam? I'm Pakistani. Born and raised in Brooklyn. What's up, Hamid? Do you use the VWAP? Yes, absolutely. You look like Aaron Stephen Haddad. I have no idea who that is. Let's see if you're trolling me and if that guy is a terrorist. Aaron Stephen Haddad. No, it doesn't sound like one. Oh, sick. He's a wrestler. Nice. Oh, snap. Nice. Cool. Thanks, man. How do you see level 2 data like volume and order flow? A lot of brokerages and everything provide level 2 data for free. Pervez, I'm not taking any trade as some personal issues, but watching your live and videos, bro. Thank you. Nice. But yeah, hopefully everything that you're dealing with personally gets solved. If there's anything that I can do, please message me and let me know. My Pakistani brother, let's go. I love how your first thought was troll. Yeah, I have to. Thank you. But yeah, so far there hasn't really been. I haven't been trolled by anyone, so it's nice. But always on our toes. John, I believe nobody will be going long in today's close. Yeah, it depends on how we close. If we can remain above 417.50 or above 417 like 60ish area, and we could close above that level, that is pretty bullish. That would be pretty good. Woodyanity, hey brother. Pakistani, yeah, yep, yes sir. Love from India, bro. Yeah, I mean, bro, at the end of the day, half of our families are from both sides. So like I have family from basically like a lot of my family is from India. They migrated to Pakistan, so it's all the same, bro. At the end of the day, it's all the same. Because of you, I started trading. Do you remember you used to send resources through Gmail? Holy crap. Yes, this was 2 years ago, 100%. Wow. Sikari. Nice. That's awesome, man. I am glad that I helped. Yes, me as well, bro. My grandfather and father is from Lahore. Yeah, bro, I'm Punjabi, so a lot of my family is from Indian Punjab side. Yeah, man, I have initially a lot of my family was from Jalandhar in India, and they migrated over. All right, so the SPY came right back down to this 416.40 level of support. The IWM is also trading at this 317.88 level that I was talking about earlier as well. And the IWM is also trading above this 194 level. So once again, everything is at support. Everything is literally at support again. So this was a very similar play than what we did earlier on in the morning. But now the only difference is that we've made a huge move upwards. So it's not necessarily a guarantee that we're going to hold this level of support. So going long here is not as safe as going long earlier on in the morning. But yeah, if you were to go long here, it's another pretty textbook opportunity to just go long with a stop loss below this level. But once again, there can be a lot of choppiness here. So that's the only issue. We made a huge move upwards already, so it's not the safest. I'll be right back. All right. Let me read the TikTok messages real quick. Bangladesh surpassed India and Pakistan. Honestly, like, I don't really care about nationalities and everything like that. Like, it's not that important. At the end of the day, everyone is a human. Everyone lives and grew up in different parts of the world, but we all have the same feelings. We all have the same wants. We all have the same needs. And the most important thing is making sure that we all live beautiful, loving, happy lives, regardless of where we're from. Would you please make SPY turn and go up? Oh man, yeah, see? So basically this was the issue of us going long here. So that's why I didn't want to go long. It's because we already made a huge move upwards and we were consolidating, trying to not fall lower. After making a huge move upwards, that was the only issue of why I didn't want to go long. I'm done for the day. I have done 15-20% on the account for 6 days now. See you tomorrow. Bless up. Ice Leclerc. Killing it. Good job. You reside in the States? Yes. What is your sentiment for September? Overall, the sentiment is definitely going to be bearish. Historically, it's always been bearish. website, and is it free? Yes, tradingview.com is free. It can be 417 rejection. Yep, it looks like it. Yes, it looks like it. Okay. Do you trade futures or just options? Wait a second. I missed out on a lot of comments. Sorry. QR. Walaikum Assalam. Michelle, my boyfriend better still be watching. I hope he sees this comment. Today you're Stakistani. Thank you. Wow, the market is really falling. Wow, big reversal, gave up all of its gains. 418, huge rejection. Wow. Stakistani. I remember getting the Gmail materials. Wow, that's been a while. That's crazy. Robert, I have been with Hamas since 2019. This is the real brother we got. Thank you so much, man. You are a real brother too. You're very real. I really appreciate you. Nice. SPY turned into a pump and dump. Yep. Barbays, I am also from Lahore. Came to Denmark when I was 7. Nice. DM'd. Okay. Trade futures or just options? Just options. Eddie, China, US possible solution to Baba audit issue, so Baba may run wild for a while. Interesting. Very interesting. Put some CCL. Does this look like a head and shoulders pattern with the 416.2 neckline? Yeah, it did look like that. Yep. Definitely did. Shoot or shoot. Yeah, 100%. Shoot or shoot. Screw it. If it didn't work, it didn't work. But yeah. But just the cascading bearish pressure was really tough. All right, let's look at the next levels of support. Let's look at where the next levels of support are for the entire market, for the SPY, the IWM, and the NASDAQ. Let's see. $415.66 is really important on the SPY. The NASDAQ 317 and the IWM 193.60. But now it's going to be very difficult to try to go long. So it would make sense to basically short into weakness. So basically short as we have pops into resistance. But yeah, this was a this was a pretty big selling pressure. You could try to go long with tight stop losses, but it's going to be a bit tricky trying to do that. Nationality is only important when you want restaurant suggestions. Yes, sir. I forgot to thank you today, my teacher. Thank you, man. No, thank you, Kai. Thank you, Kyle. Thank you. Bearish in September. Last year we had bull market until November. Yeah, so generally the sentiment in September is that it's a bearish time historically. LA, hi Hammond. I started day trading 4 months ago, buying some stocks, but when I discovered your channel, I started to get interested in options. Do you have courses regarding options / calls? There are some good courses and material to learn about options on YouTube, and there was a website, but I think they started charging for it. So I don't want to name drop that website. It used to be free. I'm not sure if it is anymore, but there are courses and stuff that I posted in the Discord, but a lot of courses you could find a lot of good YouTube courses on options. I'm gonna look to see if it's free. I'm gonna share that. Is that the SMA that you have in the middle? Inflation? No. So this is the Bollinger Band, right? And this line in the middle is the 20 exponential moving average. I'm a YOLO put for tomorrow. Puts. Nice. Congrats on those puts. Furman87, thank you so much for responding. Yeah, no, if you're not a US citizen, just send me a message on Discord. It's not that serious. Alvina, should I still hold on to SPY 160 calls expiring on Monday? I'm not sure. You have to basically see if you're down very heavily on a position. You need to make sure that you don't lose too much. So you have to, if you're down, I don't even know what position you're really talking about, but if you're down more than 20 or 30% on any position, you should usually generally sell for a loss and move on. And especially if it's expiring on Monday, you know, a lot of stuff can still happen tomorrow because the Fed is going to be speaking. So it would be very, very risky to hold anything like that. Fixed phone, are you using cumulative delta? No, I'm not. But I've heard that it works well. Wow. So all of these little, wow, new low, that's it. We couldn't even get a good pop. So wow, the SPY is really starting to show some weakness. We couldn't even really get a good pop above any major level of resistance. We just ended up making a new low. So this is showing a lot of weakness. We made some solid plays already in the morning. And now basically the market is back to weakness. So yeah, man, I hope you guys made money. I hope you guys have had a good day so far. I have to leave, but I will be here tomorrow morning again. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. Thank you so much. Make sure to follow, make sure to subscribe to my channel, make sure to follow me on Twitch, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, do all that good stuff. And I am here every single day from 9:30 a.m. to at least 10:30 to 11. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for being here. I really, really appreciate it. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Faith. Thank you, everyone that was showing all the love and support. I'm going to respond to everybody on the Discord. If I see any good plays on the Discord, I'll share them there as well. But we have Lucky Ollie and Chuck and Sun and all the other guys sharing trades, Bear, and the rest of everyone. We have all the other guys in the traders chat sharing trades as well. So definitely trades are still going to be shared. But yeah, I have to leave. So yeah, thank you so much.